Have you ever wondered what kind of weird things can be put into slime? Well, we'll be adding these weird ingredients into slime to see what kind of magical creations we can make. So first, we'll be adding these orbeez crystal balls into clear slime. Now guys, orbeez are usually wet in the package, so we poured the water out and dried it with tissues before putting it all into the bowl. This is so the orbeez can be less slippery and will be easier to mix into the slime. Some of the orbeez were falling out because of its slipperiness, but I was quite happy with how the slime turned out. Kind of reminds me of fish eggs. What do you guys think? Okay, next we'll be mixing in these reusable ice shells into slime. Guys, we added a layer of glitter onto the slime because it suited the theme and made it look more ocean-like. It ended up looking really cute and I loved how the colors looked together. The glitter made all the difference. Now it's time to play with it. Squishing the slime was a bit hard because of the size of the ice shells and they kept wanting to run away. Next, we have these bouncy balls that we'll be mixing into clear slime. First, we'll be coating the bouncy balls with blue, pink, and purple clear slime. Then we stacked them up like this into a container and topped it off with some mermaid pearls that looked so pretty. Finally, we drizzled the slime in and it looked super magical. I love how the colors mix together, possibly a mermaid slime. Anyways, let's get squishing. this last one, we'll be adding tissue paper into pink clear slime. This feels kind of weird, but let's see how it'll turn out. At first when mixing this in, some of the tissue was clumped and it was harder to melt in, so it took a while to get it to a consistent texture. As we added more tissue, it got a lot tougher and it had this weird texture unlike other slimes in the past. It was really stretchy and actually really fun to play with. Anyways guys, that was adding weird ingredients into clear slime. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I was definitely satisfied by how some of the slimes turned out. Let us know what your favorite one was down below and if you would try any of these out yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to make sure you catch all our slime videos. We post 3 a week, so come join the fam. Bye guys, love you! Mwah!